Hello guys, today we're taking a look at DoorDash and how to order food and everything it offers in 2024. So when you create your account and log in, the experience will be the same as on the app or as on the browser as you're watching here, but you're gonna need to put in your address. My address is already inputted once, but I'll show you here. You put it in and you can choose wherever you live, and you can also adjust the PIN. You can choose your apartment number or the suite where you live, and there's also a drop-off option if you want them to leave it at the door and notify you, or you can also choose that you want them to hand it to you, so you might have to go out to meet them or open the door. This is all up to you, and then you save that. DoorDash will then see where all the places that are closest to you can be, and it's time for you to start ordering whatever it is that you want to have. So we can look at the first thing, which could be interesting, is the trending page. This will show you what people are ordering the most from around your area right now. And so let's look at the number one. It's from Bagel Market, and you can also see the reviews the place have, how long the distance is from you, and how long it will take for you to get the meal, and the delivery fee. So if we press on this, they will take you to the company that makes the food, and you can first choose if you want it to be delivered or be picked up. You can also choose a group order if you're buying food not only to yourself. Then you can easily split the receipt, and you can also set a per person order limit, so that's something that you can do. But for now, we're only ordering for ourselves, so I will cancel this. It says here it will take 19 minutes for the delivery time, and they have some featured items. So you can also look at the reviews here. It's where you can see what people are saying are the best ones. So Trina here, she's saying that the Bella and the iced latte were very good. So you can actually look at her order and order the same thing. So this was what she ordered, and you can just add it to your shopping page or your checkout. And you also need to choose the bread. So we choose the bread and we add it here. So we got 2 of those, and we can close that. You can continue to looking. This is what's most ordered. And yeah, so let's say we had our sandwich and we want to go and look at something else. So we can go back to the main menu. And let's say maybe you're also in the lookout for something that's really, really high rated. And we can see here we have under $20, we have the staff picks, exclusive things, or the all store. So maybe a burger as well. Once again, you choose how you want it to be delivered. There's always some deals going on. And let's see, you can also see here in the store info if it's open or not. So that's something to be on the lookout for. You can see exactly where it is and if it's accepting it. So make sure you're on the lookout for that, guys. But let's say we also want a bacon cheddar burger. Let's press that one and we add it to the cart. Very nice. We can continue to look here some a bit more, but let's also see what else we got going on. Maybe you would like to also get some groceries for the week or the next day. So it will show you which stores are near to you right now. And let's see. So let's say we can see 24 minutes, 29. So let's go with 7-Eleven. It's the closest one. And you can also save it to your profile, so it's easier to be accessible. So we saved it there with the heart. And let's get some of these cookies, and they'll also show you other cookies to have. So let's get a few of them cookies and add them to our cart. It's just loading a bit, and there we go. So that's how you can get some groceries as well. You can then go back to the main menu and see what else we want to have. We have different categories like alcohol, things for pets, some things that are on offers as well. This is all up to you what you want to have, of course. You can also sort it by the ratings. So maybe you want to only have the 5-star raters or 4.5, or maybe go at the 4. So we can look at those results. And we will have some more options to look through. There's also new categories, like you can get some clothes or gifts or whatever it is that you want. But we're mainly looking at food today, guys. Now, there's lots of things, and these are all over 4. You can also choose the cuisines directly. So maybe we want a over 4-star Chinese food. Let's see what that would give us. Well, here we have 20% off, a 4.7. It takes about 35 minutes, so let's go with that. $0 delivery fee. It's not a group order. Yes, so let's take this trip meat combo over rice. And we need to choose our protein, so go with whatever you want. Going for some of these and add it to our cart. Now it's time to go to the checkout, guys. So let's press up here and go to the checkout. Okay, now as you can see, we tried to order a bunch of things from different places, but if you want to DoorDash, you're going to have to add it one place at a time. So this time we're only getting it from the Asian restaurant. So keep that in mind, guys. And I showed you here an example that even if you want to get lots of little things, you're gonna have to decide what it is that you want in this way. So you can choose the express time. It will cost $3 more, or the standard, or you can actually schedule it if you maybe wanted some other time or another day. After that, you can also choose if you want to leave it at your door or if you wanted to hand it off to you, so you might have to go out and meet them. For now, we want it at our door. You put in your phone number, and you can also send it to someone else if you want. Place your payment details, and then all you have to do is place your order. And that's pretty much how you order food from DoorDash. Have a look around like we did, and make sure that everything that you want is actually in your cart, so you didn't accidentally choose it from lots of different places, like I showed you here. But that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope it helped. See you in the next one.